In the eyes of these people, you can see their sufferings. Like all Filipinos, they are vulnerable, and like all humans, they deserve food to satisfy their hunger, a shelter to protect them from cold and rain, a place they can call home. But what if this place they call home is not for them to keep? The Philippine local government units reach out to these urban poor communities through the Social Housing Finance Corporation's Community Mortgage Program. The Community Mortgage Program, or the CMP, aims to provide fair, flexible, affordable, innovative, responsive shelter solutions to the underprivileged sector of our society. It is a mortgage financing program which assists legally organized associations of residents of blighted or depressed areas to own the lots they occupy, providing them security of tenure and eventually improving their neighborhood and homes to the extent of their affordability. Zamboanga City, a land whose beauty abounds with a diverse culture that has many stories to tell. Many have come here from near and far to find a better life, a more serene and prosperous environment for their families. But looking through their eyes, reality blurs out the lines to their dreams. A number of informal settlers at the airport runway have been there all their lives. One day, what they feared most came to their doorsteps unexpectedly. A demolition team began wrecking their houses. All their belongings, the little of what they own, were all gone in a blink of an eye.
Nakabili kami ng bahay doon sa squatter area inside the airport property. After 2 or 3 years, na-demolish kami doon. So nagfile sa amin ng kaso yung LTO. So hindi kami dumaan doon sa due process na tinatawag. Kasi nagkaroon ng hearing without notice, nagkaroon ng decision, nagkaroon ng court order na wala kaming notice. So biglaan ang naging demolition sa amin. So mula sa pagkakadapa, naghanap kami ng paraan kung paano kami bumangon. So through the effort yung nag-originate sa amin, siya ang nagbigay sa amin ng idea na mag-apply sa programa ng gobyerno through the CMP project. Pursigido talaga kami na maging bahagi din ng programa ng gobyerno dahil ito na ang pinaka-the best way na magkaroon kami ng sariling lupa.
Dati yung sitwasyon namin, kami nagre-rent lang sa lupa ni Mrs. Olaso. Mga 10 years kaming nagre-rent. And then, pagdating ng ika-11 years, nag-abiso sa amin yung may-ari na ibibenta na nila yung lupa nila kasi kailangan nila ng pera. Kaya nag-meeting kaming mga nakatira dito na anong ang gawin namin kasi ang presyo ng lupa niya is 500 per square meter. So, nagtrabaho lang kami sa planta, hindi namin ma-afford yung presyo niya. Kaya, yung iba, yung kalahati ng mga nakatira rito, umuki sila na magbabayad ng 500 per square meter. Yun yung time na mayroong nag-advise sa amin na sasali kami ng CMP, yung Community Mortgage Program. Tapos, yun nga, kami yung pinakilala sa amin na yung originator, na sila ni Mr. Casete, na sila ang tumutulong ng mga pag-process ng mga papers para maka-avail kami ng CMP project.
Yung lugar na ito, parang squatter area ito dito. Kung saan ang mga tao dito nagre-rent sa mga loti-loti ganyan kasi trabahante sila sa mga pabrika dito sa pating West Coast. Nung narinig nila na may community development, community mortgage program ang gobyerno at hindi nila kayang bilhin ang lupang ito sa kanilang sariling pera, yun na nga, pumunta sila sa opisina. 2000, nag-upisa na kami mag-coordinate dito. Hanggang 2001, na formally na-organize namin ang United Visayan Homeowners Association Incorporated. Mulang presidente hanggang sa secretary, mabilis silang nag-attend ng mga training upang matuto sila kung anong dapat nang gagawin o anong responsibilidad nila nagkampanan kung membro at opisyalis sa association. Dahan-dahan namin na-mobilize ang mga tao rito para ang kanilang association ay dapat gampanan nila depende sa kanilang katungkulan. Bottom line is that sinabi ko sa kanila, walang sino mang tutulong sa kanila, kundi sila. Kami mag-guide lang sa inyo. Kung ayaw niyo, wala kami magagawa. Pero ang purpose natin dito is pagkaroon kayo ng lupa para hindi na kayo maging squatter dito sa Zamboanga.
Our informal settlers in the city of Zamboanga are congested within the 7-kilometer radius of the city of Zamboanga. I think because of livelihood, because of their search for a greener pasture, they tend to flock to the city center. And that is why the city government, the administration of Mayor Celso Lobregat, he created the housing division to oversee the problem of squatting and proliferation of structures all over the city radius. So when we gathered the data, that is through census tagging and spot mapping operations, which is even until now ongoing, we already have about 20,000 families master listed as informal settlers of the city. And with that, we even intensified our housing programs. The local government unit, the LGU, including Zamboanga City, for instance, is really very thankful to the Community Mortgage Program or to SHABC. And we hope that as an LGU, that SHABC will strengthen further their Community Mortgage Program, put more budgets in it, budget allocation, and speed up the approval of or the release of loans, the approval of projects.
Iloilo City, center of the Iloilo-Guimaras metropolitan area and home to huge ancestral homes of Spanish-Filipino descent. A place of culture and bounty, where history has fortified itself. Here, in the quiet part of the city, a community has proven that through dedication, its members have achieved their lifelong dream of living in their own homes.
It is an opportunity for us that the government is trying to help us through the CMP project of the government, and we can avail because the amortization is only very low. Imagine 470 only a month.
I am very happy. I feel secured kasi ang mga tao dito nag-iisa. Secured kami kasi walang mga magnanakaw o may nag-take advantage ng opportunity. Nung una may nangyari, nung first na pa lang namin dito. Pero nag-organize ang homeowners na magkaroon ng ronda. Nagro-ronda kami noon. Pati ako, bawat lot owners should have a representative na magbantay sa buong magdamag.
Each community member pays monthly amortizations for 25 years in order for them to pay their loan from the Social Housing Finance Corporation. Sources of livelihood within the communities have given the residents extra income to be able to repay their mortgage every month. Here in Roxas City, this family has encouraged others to venture into even small businesses, as it is a very big help, not just in paying their mortgage, but also in providing for their everyday needs.
May mga livelihood pala kami, mayroon kami mga business. No? Yung karamihan dito may tindahan. Pero sa amin naman, nagtinda kami ng ice candy. Salad ice candy. Okay naman, nakasurvive naman after mga 4 years to 5 years. Masaya talaga yung nung na-transfer kami rito dahil may pagbabago din yung buhay namin.
A united and committed association is a big factor to achieving a successful community mortgage program. The cooperation of each member is paramount in the success of this endeavor. The associations meet regularly. This becomes a venue where they can express their concerns, share their experiences, ask questions, and share some suggestions for the improvement of the community.
We start from nothing kasi wala pa rin pong walang klarong office o kung saan ka pupunta o ano talaga ba yung sinalihan mo. Yun, nag-start doon, nag-pursige po. Pag may sinabing meeting, doon po kami, kahit nasa ilalim ng punong kahoy, kahit na mainit o umuulan, andun kami. Para lang po sa sinasabi nilang availment po ng government project which is Community Mortgage Program. Para po sa mga mahihirap na gustong maka-avail ng sariling lupa't pabahay. Meron din kami dito na mahirapan kasi pag dumadating yung mga problema, meron din kaming ginawa dito ng mga officers na merong member, save member, tinutulungan namin yung iba, tapos meron din ditong yung leniency.
Of now, na nag-process kami ng individualization para sa individual titling. So, yung mga documents namin nasa Bureau of Land na, and 98% approve na yung mga documents, yung hinihintay na lang yung technical description. Hopefully, this month or next month, March, lalabas na yung technical description, mag-request kami ng inspection sa Bureau of Land. After that, pwede na kami makapag-individualize ng title sa Register of Deeds.
A community in Silay City prides on providing their community residents the basic necessities such as street lights and drainage system. With their own initiative, they were able to source out funds to improve their community.
Kailangan sa isang lugar na may nakapunta dyan ng isang association, yung mga benepisyo din ng isang membro, yung pagandahin mo yung lugar, yung kalsada, may drainage ka, may mga pasilidades ka na dapat ma-avail din ng membro mo. So, ang ginagawa namin dito, pinupulong ko yung mga board, mga miyembro ko rin, kung saan kami pwedeng makalapit. So, lumalapit kami sa mga congressmen. Kasi hindi naman namin kaya yan, di ba? So, lumalapit kami, sumusulat kami. Yun lang naman ang mga paraan siguro bilang leader ka. Yung mga pamaraan kung saan ka pwede lumapit na mga local governments unit na pwede kang pagbigyan o bigyan ka ng mga livelihood or infrastructure nga avail ng mga tauhan mo.
Legazpi City, the land that is made famous by the majestic Mount Mayon. The volcano's magnificence has its corresponding danger. It has been one of the most active volcanoes in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Thus, it poses a threat to the people of its nearby villages. The environmental hazards of the volcano during eruption and lahars and floods during typhoons compel the people of the affected areas to search for a safer place to live in.
Yung mga galing ng Mayon Volcano, yung pong nadadaanan ng lava, yun po ang naging purpose namin dito sa Dreamland. Hindi na sila yung laging patakbo-takbo kapag dumarating yung eruption. Ito, yung magkaroon na ng Dreamland, ito na nga yung nung ma-take out na to, tuwang-tuwa kami kasi ito na yung pangarap namin. Karoon na ng Dreamland, payapa na po kami dito. Hindi na kami binabaha. Wala nang yung takot. Ako, ayan na naman, yung ilog, lumalaki na. Ngayon, hindi na kami ganun na yung dalawa ko, payapa na sila dito na yung buhay namin okay na po dito. Hindi na payapa po kami nakakatulog kahit may bagyo.
With the help of the Social Housing Finance Corporation, these people have found a safe haven where they are free from the perils of another catastrophe. In the crowded cities of metropolitan Manila, urban settlers have migrated from near and far in search of the promise that the city life has to offer. Countless families have given up the quiet and simple life of the countryside in the hope of making it good here. Despite the odds, the dehumanizing conditions that stare at them in the eye, the fear of losing everything during a calamity because they have no home to call their own. It is a sad and inescapable reality, but not to those who have answered the challenges of the Community Mortgage Program. These are the stories of families who had the courage to leave their past behind and welcome the new life ahead. They know that they must strive hard to pay for their own land, a land that can never be taken away from them again.
Masaya talagang community namin dito. Kahit sa umpisa is talagang kami dito, yung lagi kami nangangamba for demolition or whatever. Pero sa ngayon, okay na kami. Hindi kami nangangamba na mga ganun pag-isip na at least maganda na ang kahinatnan na namin sa tulong ng social housing.
17 years na rin kami ngayon na naghuhulog. Malapit na, mga 8 taon na lang. At yung mga talagang 25 years na binigay nila sa amin is magaang talaga sa bawat miyembro. Pero meron nga mga member namin na talaga na medyo tumagal ang panahon na nagkaroon talaga ng mga professional na sa mga kanila, yung mga anak nila. Kaya yung iba na fully paid na nila. At yun nga ho, yung talagang bahay namin na halos talagang barong-barong yan ho, makikita ho ninyo, yung talagang improvement talaga ng mga tao talaga na nandirito sa amin, sa lugar namin. Yung pagkakaisa po talagang nandoon. Tulong-tulong po kami, hindi lang po naman ito ng isang tao lamang Hindi lang po ng lahat ng opisyalis, kundi talagang lahat po ng mga miyembro talagang tumutulong po para mapaganda itong lugar namin.
These pioneer communities of the SHFC's Community Mortgage Program have improved their lives and their communities. When a family is committed to owning their homes, they also commit themselves to making their lives better. Their new way of life has brought them to dream bigger dreams. It has taken them ahead of where they used to be. And now their children are given a chance to live new lives, better lives that their parents never had before.